Good morning, children. This is Shubhal sir speaking. Children, we have been dealing with exercise 2.5, and in which I have already discussed about question number 4, question number 4, question number 5, and question number 6. Children, so here in this video, we will discuss about question number 7, exercise 2.5, question number 7. Children, it's one of the easiest question of this chapter. Very simple thing. And we need to understand this process of solving linear equation because this is gonna come in your higher classes, class 9 and 10. So dealing with such equations is really very important. Let us see how to do this. Question is 3 into t minus 3 is equal to 5 into 2t plus 1. Children, before I solve it, I must tell you, we have many processes to solve it. Okay, many ways to solve it. I always prefer to teach in a very easier way. So the easiest process of dealing with such question is, this 3 is into with t minus 3. Matlab, 3 is multiplied with t as well as with minus 3. Let us do it. 3 into t results 3t. 3 into t results 3t minus 3 into 3 or minus 3 is minus 9 equal to 5 will be multiplied to 2t and 5 will be multiplied to 1 as well. So 5 into 2t matlab 10t plus 5 into 1 will be 5 ones of 5. Now children, as we all know that all the variables related numbers should be in one side and all the numbers free from variables should be other side. So here it's 3t with variable and here is 10t with variable. Let them be in left hand side. So what I'll do children, I'll just write 3t. I'll just transpose this 10t to the left hand side. It's going to be minus 10t. Because as it was plus 10t, there is no sign in front of 10t matlab plus. So the moment it will be transposed, it will be minus. Acha, equal to, this number is plus 5 which was already in the right hand side. So let it be as it is. This is minus 9 will be transposed to the right hand side. It's going to be plus 9. Okay children, now let me clean my screen a bit. Now 3t minus 10t is minus 7t because 10 is bigger value and the symbol before 10 is minus sign. So minus will be getting preference first. 3t minus 10t results minus 7t. Equal to 9 plus 5 is 14. 9 plus 5 is 14. Now children, t is equal to 14 and minus 7 will be transposed from left hand side to the right hand side. It will be divided by minus 7. I know children, what are you thinking now? You might be thinking that it was minus 7, so at the moment it will be transposed to the right hand side, it should be plus 7. No. We need to see the relation between the variable and the number. The variable and the number is into. There is no sign in front in between them. Between minus 7 and t is related to each other by into. So the relation or the symbol attached with the variable will be getting the preference first. So it is minus 7. We know that, but it is into with t. So that is why the moment I am transposing this number to the right hand side, it is going to be divided by. It's going to be divided. So minus 7 will be cancelling, 14 is 2. So as t is equal to, as there is the denominator was having minus sign, answer will be minus 2. The value of t will be minus 2. I believe it's clear to everyone. If no, please do watch this video again and again. And please feel free to speak to me. Let me know if there is any doubts or confusion. Now children, let's talk about the next question, which is really very interesting. Question number 8. It is about 15 in bracket y minus 4 minus 2 in bracket y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 bracket close is equal to 0 Let us see children how to solve it. Very simple. Again the similar process to be used. 15 into y means 15 y minus 15 into 4 minus 4 is minus 60. Again minus 2 into y minus 2y minus 2 into minus 9 plus 18. Again 5 into y is 5y. 5 into 6 plus 30. This plus sign is coming from the bracket only. Within the bracket there is a plus sign. Equal to 0. Now children, we will be following BODMAS rule. Means additions should be done first. 15y plus 5y means 20y. 20y minus 2y is 18y. Okay. Now children, again BODMAS. 30 plus 18 is 48. 48 minus 60 is minus 12. Because minus sign is bigger over here. 60 is bigger. So 48 minus 60 will be minus 12 is equal to 0. Now children, I got a no space. So I'm cleaning a bit from here. Now children, what to do? Now, what I'll write, 18y is equal to minus 12 will be transposed to this side. Right hand side will be plus 12. Now, y is equal to 12 by 18 because 18 was multiplied. See children here, the relation between 18 and y is into. Nothing means into in between them. If there is no sign between a number, means into. If there is no sign in front of a number, means it's plus. So 12 and 18 will be cancelled. 6 2s are 12, 3 6s are 18. The value of y is 2 by 3. I believe it's clear to everyone. If there is any doubts or confusions, please let me know and feel free to speak to me. Question number 9, 10 should be tried your own self. If you get difficulties, let me know. Till then, bye-bye, take care. Thank you so much. And please try out the same on your copy. Thank you everyone.